Hey everyone. Welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create something like this. Okay. Open After Effects and create new composition. Import your video file into your After Effects. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the layer. Select the third layer, right-click, go to Time Freeze Frame. Go to around 4 seconds. Select second layer. Press Ctrl+Shift+D. Press Delete. Do the same thing to the first layer. Go to around 4 seconds. Select the first layer. Press Ctrl+Shift+D. Press Delete. Press N. Right-click, select Trim Comp to Work Area. Rename them, if you like. Now, go to here, select Roto Brush and select the second layer, double-click on it. Don't worry, if you don't know how to use it, check the tutorial in my channel. Select the second layer, go to Effects and search for CC Radial Fast Blur, double-click on it. Change amount to 100, create keyframe, go to the end of the layer, change the amount to 0. This is not okay to me. Now we are going to do some adjustment. Copy the first keyframe and paste it near to the end keyframe. Finish. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you next week.